So I tried to do some research, and it might be like completely like wrong, but the Palestinians, there's no way to really tell if somebody is like off direct is like the ancient Israelites, as I understand it. You can only say till like the time of like the when it was known as the Holy Land. So the Palestinians, what's the Palestinians today, is actually like direct descendants of the Canaanites and Israelites. They were always there, while European Jews migrated with the Romans, like to European. So they're lighter in skin tone, and the Palestinians converted to Islam and got a darker skin tone due to trade with Africa because they were always there. So they are genetically brothers, like exactly the same. And one thing that I have learned is you stay out of blood feuds, when brothers fight. So, but it's the same. So.